Why do some animals glow in the dark? It might sound like something out of a science fiction movie, but bioluminescence, the ability of certain organisms to produce light, is a fascinating reality in the natural world. Many marine creatures, like certain jellyfish and fish species, have evolved to emit light through a chemical reaction within their bodies. So this glow serves various purposes, from attracting prey or mates to deterring predators. While the exact mechanism behind bioluminescence vary among species, the phenomenon showcases the incredible diversity and adaptability of life on Earth.